The use of plants for treating human illnesses has a long history. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and Prophet Sulaiman, alayhi salam, are mentioned in hadiths regarding herbal remedies. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, specifically mentioned 65 medicinal plants, with Nigella sativa, commonly called black seed, being highlighted. The Prophet referred to black seed as a cure for all diseases except death in an authentic hadith. The scientific community was intrigued by the Prophet's statement, leading to extensive research on black seed. Researchers conducted phytochemical and biological investigations confirming the Prophet's statement's accuracy. Despite the Prophet's lack of formal education in medical science, modern research validates the medicinal properties of black seed. Muslims consider black seed a prophetic medicine based on the Prophet's recommendation over 1,400 years ago. Reference to black seed is also found in the book of Isaiah in the Old Testament, where it is called ketzah, a spice for bread and cakes. Abu Huraira narrates a hadith where Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, recommends using black seed regularly as a remedy for every disease except death. The Prophet's reputation for truthfulness, as evidenced by the title Al-Amin, meaning trustworthy, adds credibility to his statements on healing. The Holy Quran emphasizes that Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, does not speak of his own desire, implying divine inspiration. Islam is considered a complete and divine way of life, including aspects of health, wellness, sickness, cure, disease, and treatment. God inspired Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, to make over 1,000 statements on healing for the benefit of humanity during their transient stay on earth. Despite being unlettered and without pen and paper, Prophet Muhammad's statements on healing align with modern medical science and pharmacy principles. The plant Nigella sativa, commonly known as Habatus sauda or Habit al-Baraka, has a rich history and is recognized by various names globally due to its ancient popularity and medicinal significance. Some names include black caraway, Roman coriander, Karvi in French, Schwarzkümmel in German, Kalanji in Hindi and Urdu, Kiza in Hebrew, Chernushka in Russian, Korakout in Turkish, and Ciadana in Persian. This annual herbaceous plant, whose Latin name, Nigella sativa, stems from Nigellus meaning black, is often translated as seeds of blessing and has been referred to as a miracle herb. The seeds, known as black cumin or black seed, were historically called panacea, signifying a cure-all. In Bangladesh, it is referred to as kalajira, in India as kalanji, and in China as hakyungcho. Nigella sativa belongs to the Ranunculaceae family. With a history spanning over 3,300 years, black cumin seeds have been utilized for maintaining health and treating various ailments. They have been a staple in Mediterranean, Middle Eastern, Indian, Pakistani, Bangladeshi, and European cultures not only for medicinal purposes but also in culinary practices. Recent data from the United States indicates that professionals have authored over 150 books and articles discussing the physical and chemical properties of black seed. Ongoing extensive research in universities and health research centers, both in the Islamic world and Western countries, focuses on the numerous healing qualities of black seed. Notably, 7 recent books have been published on this topic, for example. Black cumin, the magical Egyptian herb for allergies, asthma, skin conditions, and immune disorders, by Dr. M. Sala and P. Schleicher. Published by Rochester, Vermont, Healing Arts Press in 2000. A 90-page guide highlighting the magical properties of black cumin in addressing allergies, asthma, skin conditions, and immune disorders. The historical use of black seed as a preventive and curative remedy dates back to ancient times. Esteemed figures like Hippocrates, Dioscorides, and Pliny the Elder recognized its healing powers. Hippocrates in the 5th century BC considered black seed valuable for hepatic and digestive disorders, snakebites, scorpion stings, tumors, abscesses, and skin rashes. Dioscorides, a Greek physician, used black cumin seed to treat headaches, nasal congestion, toothaches, and intestinal parasites. He also noted its diuretic properties. Ibn Sina in The Canon of Medicine referred to black seed as stimulating the body's energy and aiding recovery from fatigue. Black seed has been integral to Eastern medicine, including Ayurveda, and has been used as an anti-cancer agent in Unani, Ayurveda, and Chinese systems. Al-Biruni, a Muslim scholar, mentioned black seed as alwanak in the Sigzi dialect, confirming its use during the 10th and 11th centuries. In the Greco-Arab or Anani-Tib system, black seed has been valued for hepatic and digestive disorders and as a stimulant for various conditions linked to imbalances of cold humors. Throughout history, black cumin seeds have been used in the Middle East, the Mediterranean, and India for various health issues, from minor headaches to inflammatory diseases. Traditionally, it has been used for immune system support, digestive health, respiratory issues, kidney and liver support, and heart health. In the West, black seed oil has been employed against wind, dysentery, stomach and lung diseases, jaundice, diuretic problems, and to increase nursing mother's milk. Dr. Schleicher highlights the exceptional nature of black seed oil due to its component parts acting in unison for optimum effects. Colleagues such as Professor G. Rietmuller and Professor Michael Muir attest to its positive impact on the immune system and effectiveness in addressing inflammation and neurodermatitis. The clinical use of black seed oil in the West emphasizes its disease-preventing effects and potential as a bioregulator, particularly in immunology and dermatology. Ancient Egyptians, including notable figures like Cleopatra, Queen Nefertiti, and King Tutankhamun, recognized the health and beauty benefits of black seed. Cleopatra used it for its health and beauty-giving qualities, while Queen Nefertiti used black seed oil for lustrous hair and nails. Hippocrates, the ancient Greek physician, employed black seed to assist with digestive and metabolic disorders. Even King Tutankhamun had a bottle of black seed oil in his tomb, possibly for protection in the afterlife. Physicians in Pharaoh's times used black seed as a remedy for various ailments, including colds, headaches, respiratory and digestive disorders, toothaches, infections, inflammatory disorders, and allergies. Anani and Ayurvedic physicians, both in the past and present, have extensively written about the medicinal benefits and healing properties of black seed. Its traditional applications range from skincare to digestion and fertility. Black seed has been consistently used by Muslims worldwide, believing in the benefits derived from practicing the traditions or sunnah of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, regarding black seed use. Traditionally, black seed tincture has been employed to treat indigestion, loss of appetite, diarrhea, parasitic infections, and skin problems, with external applications as an antiseptic, and roasted seeds used to stop vomiting. In contemporary times, black cumin seed oil is gaining popularity for its versatile health benefits. It is recognized for treating the body as a whole, addressing the root cause of symptoms rather than treating individual symptoms. Black seed regulates immune system reactions, making it excellent for chronic, allergic, and hormonal diseases. Its uses include supporting metabolism, improving digestion, lowering blood sugar levels, dispelling worms, soothing bronchitis and coughs, increasing body tone, stimulating menstrual periods, boosting breast milk flow, providing quick energy, increasing sperm count, calming the nervous system, encouraging hair growth, preventing skin wrinkling, and more. Research has shown that black seed oil contains antioxidants protecting the body from free radicals and is a rich source of essential fatty acids. Its dark color and pungent scent make it suitable for various applications, including skincare, hair care, and cooking. Black seeds are now used as skincare naturals for healthy hair and nails and to restore overall health. Black seed oil has been found to inhibit cancer cell activity and exhibit benefits for various inflammatory diseases, including different types of cancer such as liver cancer, skin cancer, pancreatic cancer, cervical cancer, breast cancer, and more. Modern scientific research has confirmed the anti-cancer activities of black seed, and its use is widespread for various health conditions. Black seed contains over 100 healing components, of which 69 have been identified. This complex interaction of components provides tremendous synergistic power, supporting the immune system and strengthening the body's constitution. The active ingredients of black seed include thymoquinone, dithymoquinone, thymohydroquinone, nigellone, thymol, and fixed oils. Nigellone was isolated in 1959 and is responsible for black seed's bronchodilating effect. Black seed is high in proteins and amino acids, including all 9 essential amino acids. It also contains essential fatty acids, omega-3 and omega-6, vitamins A, B1, B2, C, niacin, minerals, calcium, sodium, potassium, iron, magnesium, zinc, selenium, and phytosterols. Black seed comprises approximately 21% protein, 38% carbohydrates, and 35% plant fats and oils, essential nutrients needed for sustenance. 3 crucial compounds in black seed oil are thymoquinone, thymohydroquinone, and thymol. These compounds contribute significantly to the seed's health benefits. The seed also contains alpha-heterin, alkaloids, flavonoids, antioxidants, and fatty acids. Black seed's rich composition contributes to its numerous health benefits, including immune system support, prevention of infections and allergies, control of chronic illnesses, and potential anti-cancer activities. The most volatile oils in black seed are Nigella and thymoquinone. Nigella offers antispasmodic and bronchodilating properties, acting as an antihistamine to reduce allergy symptoms. Thymoquinone possesses anti-inflammatory, analgesic, and antioxidant properties, aiding in toxin cleansing. Black seed shows positive effects on upper respiratory conditions, acting as an antihistamine for diseases like asthma, bronchitis, and cough. The oil increases milk flow, contributing to its use as a galactagogue. The oil contains over 100 components, including aromatic oils, trace elements, vitamins, and enzymes. It comprises 58% essential fatty acids essential for forming prostaglandin E1, strengthening the immune system, preventing infections and allergies, and controlling chronic illnesses. Black seed oil contains 0.5 to 1.5% volatile oils, including Nigella and thymoquinone, responsible for antihistamine, antioxidant, anti-infective, and bronchodilating effects. Black seed oil exhibits various medicinal properties, including immune stimulant, antibacterial, antifungal, anti-ulcerative, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, anti-tumorous, antipyretic, hypoglycemic, immunomodulatory, antihypertensive, antidepressant, antispasmodic, hepatoprotective, and antiparasitic. Dr. Med. Peter Schleicher, an immunologist in Munich, found that black seed oil contains valuable unsaturated fatty acids, leading to the synthesis of immune-regulating substances. Linoleic acid stabilizes cell membranes, while prostaglandin E1 inhibits inflammation, preventing immune reactions that can lead to chronic illnesses like acne, hay fever, and cancer. Black seed has been utilized for over 2,000 years for various diseases, ranging from allergies and asthma to migraines. In the last 50 years, there have been more than 450 studies conducted on black seed, revealing its numerous benefits. Nigella sativa stands out as the only plant on Earth with the highest number of studies carried out. Since 1964, there have been 656 published, peer-reviewed studies referencing black cumin, confirming its well-known benefits in Middle Eastern and North African cultures. Nearly 500 university studies have been conducted on Nigella sativa since 1959, contributing to the confirmation of its effectiveness and traditional uses. Black seed has a long history of traditional use, and recent scientific research provides evidence supporting its traditional applications. Studies have demonstrated its efficacy in supporting the immune system, aiding digestion, and addressing respiratory issues. The biomedical research on black seed continues to flourish, with over 741 research projects documented on the Medline database. More than 150 research papers have been published in recent times, reinforcing the healing properties attributed to black seed. Ongoing research projects, with 78 studies published in the past 11 months, highlight the sustained interest and exploration of the therapeutic potential of black seed. Ongoing scientific research in Europe has sparked significant public interest in the health benefits of black seed. Black seed supplements are readily available in health stores, and it is widely regarded as an effective alternative medicine. Black seed has become a popular alternative medicine in Europe, with intensive scientific research indicating its potential to strengthen and stabilize the immune system. It has been found to be beneficial in the treatment of allergies, further contributing to its acceptance in the health community. Nigella sativa is recognized as the most extensively studied plant, both phytochemically and pharmacologically. The World Health Organization (WHO) has recommended black seed as an herbal remedy, acknowledging its tremendous potential benefits. In 1996, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration (FDA) granted a patent for the use of extracts of Nigella sativa as an immune system stimulant. The patent focused on the pharmaceutical composition containing black seed extracts for treating cancer, preventing the side effects not from his own desire but are guided by divine revelation.